Hi guys, I'll be creating a logo design for a cycling technology company called VeloTech. I already did my research and I was able to come up with these four keywords where we have the cutting edge, the cycling, the motion and direction. So the image I'll be using is this cycling rider's image. Yeah, where I get the inspiration for the logo. So I'll be drawing a line like this from here, like this, here like this, and also the other line like this, here like this, and also this one here like this, which is the last one here like this. And we'll be putting a direction since we said direction, so we are putting a direction like this, and this one also like this. So this is the rough sketch of the logo. So here is the cycling line, the motion is the movement, the direction is the direction of how they move. So here is the logo grid for the logo to make it professional, and here is the trace part, the type, like the creation of the typeface of the logo, and here is the traced out part of the logo which I've already added the gradients, and here is the final design for VeloTech. Thank you.